Hello, my name is Juan Manuel Posa Gomez. I am a student administration company. I am live in Medellin, and today I will talking about bandejas paisas recipe. The ingredients are beans, ground meat, rice, pork rind, eggs, avocados, arepa, and fried sweets plantain. First, add the 3 cups of water and the beans. Cover the pot and cook for 30 minutes. Cook the beans until they thicken. Second, in a high boiling pot, add 2 cups of water and the bacon cut into pieces. Cover the pot, and bring to medium heat for 20 minutes. Next, in a small frying pan, add 2 tablespoons of water and the chorizos. Cook over medium heat until the chorizos are well browned. Finally, in a plate of food, serve with rice, beans, ground beef, pork rinds, chorizos, eggs, avocado, arepa, and 1 slices of rice plantain.